You've likely heard of Microsoft Word, as it's one of the most popular applications in history and has been around for over 25 years now. When we think of Microsoft Word, we think of a powerful word processor, which it is. In this course, however, I want to look beyond its ability to do word processing and explore a couple other ways that it can benefit educators. Now, this isn't to downplay the importance of word processing. It's likely that there will be times when you need to create professional documents, and Microsoft Word, especially the desktop application, offers a ton of features and functions that a program like Google Documents or even the online version of Microsoft Word doesn't offer. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into learning more about Microsoft Word, I recommend checking out one of the Word courses in our library. Also, although this course is focused on the Microsoft Office desktop application, I want to emphasize the importance of a product like Microsoft Word Online, which is part of the new Microsoft Office Online suite. These online applications are similar to those of Google Drive, and although they don't offer all of the features and functions of the full version of Word, they do allow you to access them online for free, everything stored in the cloud, and you can collaborate on the documents in real time. In this chapter, I want to take a look at a few ways that you can use Microsoft Word as an educator, such as accessing the large bank of templates, as well as using smart art and word charts to create visual representations for improved learning. Let's get started.